All right, so now we're going to work on the hand. So I'm going to use the same curvature tool. You could use the paintbrush tool or some other tools, but the curvature tool is probably one of the easier ones and gives you a little bit of, again, like I said, flexibility here. So I'm just going to start down here, and we'll just draw in the bottom part of the hand. And then we will come in. I'm using just a fill color brown. Let's change the opacity a little bit. We'll have to do that anyways. And then just kind of tracing this as well. We're going to come across and work our way to here and back over here. Now we want to kind of follow this guy down to roughly here. And we're going to come in, we're going to come back out, and we'll just kind of follow down until we get to the bottom here. And then we got to clean that up a little bit. So kind of same idea that we did before, is picking these anchor points and stretching it out a little bit. So again, you're really just kind of tweaking and adjusting to get this to look right. Now that one we want it to go straight down there. This one here, let's zoom in. So let's Alt, roll our wheel, so we get a little tighter here. You can see these handles, right? You can kind of adjust those a little bit. Take this down here. We'll move that one up because we want it to, really want it to overlap, because it's, we'll probably make it a little thicker too, just on the pen size, but we want that. And if we just go up, just bump, there we go. If I go up to 2, that helps there, and kind of bring this guy down a little bit. And then the same thing, we'll just change that. And that gives us that part of the hand. And then we can do the curvature for this part, which we just want it to kind of come up in here. And it's going to have a little bit of a knuckling effect, right, on the outside here. We'll just come down. And then we just got to make the fingers. Let's change that opacity so we can see our fingers in here. And so it kind of comes out like this. And then the same concept comes in like this. And then it really kind of comes up and anchors back. Then we can adjust these anchors. So we'll just bring this guy down to follow that one. Bring him back up. And kind of the same thing here. We'll just bring that finger, something like that. This is tricky. It's, you know, it takes a little bit of trial and error to kind of get it to look the way you want. So we just want to kind of really just do that one. Same thing here. We'll just bring that finger down there. And maybe slide this one. All right. So there's our hand. Right. And if we change the opacity up a little bit, take that one, do the same thing. Pick this, and we've got our hand in there.